Top 5 best teas you should drink to flush out toxins and repair kidney. Most people are hurting their kidneys every single day, and they don't even know it. That morning drink you think is healthy? It could be slowing your kidneys down. But there are a few teas that do the opposite. They help flush out toxins and support your kidneys fast. And one of them is probably already in your kitchen. Your kidneys work nonstop to clean your blood, remove waste, and keep your body balanced. But stress, bad food, sugar, salt, and not drinking enough water can overload them without warning. When that happens, toxins build up quietly, energy drops, and problems start showing up later. The good news is, some teas have been used for years to help the kidneys clean themselves, reduce strain, and recover faster. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best teas you should drink to flush out toxins and support kidney repair, and why they work. Some of these teas are gentle and safe for daily use. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, Goji Berry Tea. Goji Berry Tea is one of the easiest and most kidney-friendly drinks you can add to your daily routine if your goal is to flush out toxins and support kidney repair in a safe way. This tea is made from dried goji berries and is well known for its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the hidden causes of long-term kidney strain. When oxidative stress builds up, kidney cells slowly lose their ability to filter waste efficiently. By supporting cellular health, goji berry tea helps the kidneys do their job more smoothly instead of forcing them to work harder. One of the biggest advantages of goji berry tea is that it is naturally mild and caffeine-free. This means it does not increase blood pressure or cause dehydration, both of which can make kidney problems worse. For people who already feel tired, sensitive to caffeine, or worried about kidney stress, this makes goji berry tea a very smart choice. Rather than acting like a stimulant, it works as a supportive drink, helping maintain balance in the body. The reason goji berry tea may help flush out toxins is simple. When kidney cells stay healthy and protected, the kidneys can filter blood more effectively. Over time, this supports the natural removal of waste and toxins from the body. Many health and nutrition articles point out that diets rich in antioxidants are linked to better kidney function markers and improved overall cellular health. Goji berries fit well into this kind of kidney-friendly lifestyle. Preparing goji berry tea is simple and does not take much time. Take about 1 tablespoon of dried goji berries, rinse them briefly with clean water, and place them into a cup. Pour hot water over the berries, making sure the water's not boiling. Let the tea steep for around 10 to 15 minutes. Drink the tea slowly, and if you like, you can also eat the softened berries at the end, since they still contain nutrients. For best results, goji berry tea is best enjoyed once a day, ideally in the morning or early afternoon. Using it in moderation is important, as more is not always better. You can combine this tea with healthy habits, such as drinking enough water, reducing salt intake, and avoiding heavily processed foods. When used consistently this way, goji berry tea becomes a gentle but effective part of a routine designed to support kidney health and toxin removal over time. Number 2, Saffron Tea. Saffron tea stands out because it works in a very different way compared to gentle daily teas. Saffron comes from the dried threads of the saffron flower, and even a tiny amount contains strong antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. These properties matter for kidney health because long-lasting inflammation in the body can slowly interfere with how well the kidneys filter blood. When inflammation stays high for too long, waste products circulate longer than they should, which adds extra pressure to the kidneys over time. By helping calm inflammation, saffron tea may indirectly support cleaner blood flow and smoother kidney function. Another reason saffron tea gets attention is its effect on circulation and metabolic balance. Better circulation means oxygen and nutrients move through the kidneys more efficiently, while waste products are carried away faster. Some nutrition and health articles often connect improved circulation with healthier kidney markers, especially when combined with a balanced diet. Saffron does not force detox like harsh cleansing drinks. Instead, it helps the body stay balanced, which is exactly what kidneys need to repair themselves slowly and safely. That said, saffron is very concentrated, and this is where many people get it wrong. More saffron does not mean better results. From a kidney health point of view, saffron tea should be used occasionally, not daily. Small amounts give benefits without overwhelming the body. Drinking too much can actually stress the system instead of helping it, especially for people already dealing with kidney sensitivity. Making saffron tea is simple, but portion size is critical. Use only 3 to 5 strands of saffron, no more. Place them in a cup and pour hot water over them. Let the tea steep for about 10 minutes until the water turns a light golden color. The flavor should be mild, not strong. If it tastes sharp or bitter, too much saffron was used. Drink it slowly and avoid adding sugar. If needed, a few drops of honey are enough. Saffron tea works best when combined with anti-inflammatory habits. This includes cutting back on salty foods, avoiding fried meals, and staying well hydrated throughout the day. It also pairs well with lighter teas on other days instead of being stacked together. When used carefully and occasionally, saffron tea can become a powerful supporting tool for flushing toxins, calming inflammation, and giving the kidneys a better environment to recover without unnecessary strain. Number 3. Rose tea. Rose tea is a great option for people who want something light, calming, and easy on the kidneys, especially if they plan to drink herbal tea long term. This tea is made from dried rose petals and is completely caffeine-free, which already makes it kidney-friendly. What helps it stand out is its mix of natural plant compounds that may support smoother blood flow and help ease low-level inflammatory stress in the body. When circulation improves, the kidneys receive oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, which helps them filter waste in a steadier and more balanced way. One of the key reasons rose tea fits into a kidney support routine is its role in hydration without pressure. Kidneys rely heavily on proper fluid balance to flush toxins out of the blood. Strong or stimulating drinks can pull water out of the body or raise stress levels, but rose tea does the opposite. It encourages gentle hydration, which supports natural detox processes without forcing the kidneys to work overtime. Many wellness and nutrition articles often highlight hydration as one of the most important factors in maintaining kidney health, and rose tea makes staying hydrated more enjoyable and consistent. Another benefit of rose tea is its soothing effect on the body and mind. Stress can affect hormone balance and blood flow, which indirectly impacts kidney function over time. Because rose tea has a naturally relaxing profile, it may help the body stay in a calmer state, allowing internal systems, including the kidneys, to function more smoothly. This makes it a comfortable choice for people who are sensitive to stronger herbs or who want something they can drink regularly without worry. Preparing rose tea is very simple. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried rose petals to a cup of hot water. Make sure the water is hot but not boiling, as boiling water can destroy some of the delicate plant compounds. Let the petals steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. The tea should have a soft floral aroma and a light taste. There is no need for sugar. If you prefer, a small amount of honey can be added, but keeping it light is best. Rose tea works well when paired with daily kidney-friendly habits, such as drinking enough water throughout the day, eating fresh foods, and reducing salt intake. It can also be rotated with other mild herbal teas instead of stacking multiple strong teas at once. When used this way, rose tea becomes a gentle but reliable option for supporting circulation, hydration, and long-term kidney comfort while helping the body clear toxins naturally over time. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos like this. If you have any questions or health concerns, drop them in the comments. I do read them. And let me know. If you've tried any of these teas, comment 1. And if you haven't tried any yet, comment 0. Number 4, Jasmine Tea. Important way. Instead of pushing detox, jasmine tea helps the body slow down. Long-term stress affects blood pressure, hormone levels, and how the body holds or releases fluids. When stress stays high, the kidneys feel it. By promoting relaxation, jasmine flower tea helps create a calmer internal environment where the kidneys can function with less strain. Pure jasmine flower tea contains no caffeine, which is exactly what makes it suitable for people who are careful about kidney load. Caffeine can increase fluid loss and raise blood pressure in some individuals, both of which can make kidney work harder. That's why it's important to choose jasmine tea made only from jasmine flowers, not jasmine blended with green tea. Many people don't realize the difference, but reading the label matters here. The benefit of jasmine tea comes from its natural plant compounds that support the nervous system and may help regulate fluid balance. When the body relaxes, blood flow becomes more stable and fluid movement improves. This allows waste products to move through the kidneys more smoothly instead of backing up due to tension or pressure. Several wellness and health articles often mention that stress management plays a role in protecting kidney function over time, especially for people with sensitive blood pressure. Making jasmine flower tea is very simple. Use about 1 teaspoon of dried jasmine flowers and place them in a cup. Pour hot water over the flowers, making sure the water's not boiling. Let the tea steep for 5 to 8 minutes. The scent should be light and calming, not overpowering. If the taste is too strong, reduce the amount of flowers next time. Jasmine tea works best as part of an evening or wind-down routine. It pairs well with quiet activities like reading or light stretching, which further supports relaxation. This tea should not be combined with caffeine later in the day. When used this way, jasmine flower tea becomes a gentle tool for lowering stress, stabilizing fluid balance, and giving the kidneys the calm conditions they need to flush toxins more efficiently and recover over time. Number 5. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea plays a quiet but useful role when the goal is to support kidney health without adding extra stress to the body. This tea is widely known for helping the digestive system relax and work more smoothly. While peppermint tea does not act directly on the kidneys, digestion and kidney function are more connected than most people think. When digestion is slow or irritated, waste products and byproducts stay in the body longer, which increases the workload on the kidneys. By helping the gut move and process food more efficiently, peppermint tea helps reduce that unnecessary burden. Another reason peppermint tea fits into a kidney-friendly routine is its cooling and refreshing nature. It encourages people to drink more fluids without relying on sugary drinks or caffeine. Proper hydration is one of the simplest ways to help the kidneys flush out toxins naturally. When fluid intake is steady, waste moves through the kidneys more easily instead of becoming concentrated. Many health articles often highlight hydration and digestive health as indirect but important factors in long-term kidney support, and peppermint tea supports both at the same time. Peppermint tea also contains natural plant compounds that help ease bloating and stomach discomfort. When the digestive system feels lighter, the body tends to maintain better fluid balance overall. This matters because fluid balance directly affects how hard the kidneys have to work throughout the day. Unlike strong herbal cleanses, peppermint tea does not force detox. It supports the body's natural rhythm, which makes it a good complementary option rather than a main treatment. Making peppermint tea is very straightforward. Add 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves, or a small handful of fresh leaves, into a cup. Pour hot water over the leaves and let them steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. The smell should be fresh and clean, and the taste should feel cooling, not sharp. There is no need to add sugar. Drinking it plain keeps it gentle and kidney-friendly. Peppermint tea works best when combined with light meals and regular hydration. It is especially helpful after eating or during warm weather when fluid needs are higher. This tea can be rotated with other mild herbal teas instead of being used as the main focus. When used this way, peppermint tea becomes a supportive partner in reducing digestive stress, improving hydration habits, and helping the kidneys focus on their main job, filtering toxins efficiently without extra pressure. When you look at all 5 teas together, one thing becomes very clear. There is no single drink that magically fixes kidney problems overnight. Real kidney support comes from giving your body the right conditions to heal, day after day. These teas do that in different ways. Some protect kidney cells, some calm inflammation, some improve circulation, and others support digestion and hydration, so the kidneys don't have to work harder than they should. The most important part is how you use them. You don't need to drink all 5 every day. In fact, that can do more harm than good. The smarter move is to rotate them, keep portions small, and stay consistent. Pair these teas with enough water, lower salt intake, and simple daily habits, and you're giving your kidneys real support instead of chasing quick fixes. Your kidneys are quiet organs. They don't complain until they're already under pressure. That's why small choices matter. A gentle tea instead of a sugary drink. calm hydration instead of constant caffeine, support instead of stress. Over time, those choices help your body flush toxins more smoothly and create a better environment for kidney repair. If this video helped you understand how to support your kidneys the right way, watch the next video.